What's up, everybody? This is Ash with Card Junkie, and today we got 4 booster boxes of Legacy of Destruction. I might open 3, depending. We'll see. We'll see. But for sure, we're going to do 3 or 4, or 2 or we're going to do 3, for sure. But let me move them out of the way. That way we can start on the first one. Alright. I'm just going to take them out here, set them all on the table. Alright. First pack, let's see what we get. Do 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's 4. Tenpai Dragon, Cyclops, Haggard, Couplet, the Moonfang Dragon, Ancient Gear Advance, Sinful Spoil Struggle, Ragnaraki, Turn Silence. Okay. Two, three, 4. Oh my god, that card right there is demolished. You got Valmonica, Sinful Spoils, Ragnaraki, Blink, Cooling Embers, Simultaneous, Valmonica, Ragnaraki, and Shaman of Ashen City. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dinovatus, Whis, Ragnaraki, Senpai, Lightsworn, Jungle Dweller, Refrain, and Silatris Valmonica, Ultra Rare. One, two, three, 4. Double Die, Ancient Gear Duel, Stronghold, Haggard, Ragnaraki, Center, Melodus, Golgoyle, Ancient Gear Dark Golem. I like how they did the Ancient Gears in these, because Ancient Gear Golem was one of my favorite GX cards, and I don't know, I like how it's getting some more support. And I know it took me a while to get this video going, but I went to a card event over on the coast from where I'm at, and it was this last weekend. So I was kind of drained from driving 2.5 hours over there, and then spending some of the day over there, and then spending another 2.5 hours drive back. So I was pretty drained this last weekend. So the video is kind of a little late, but better late than never. Ancient Gear Duel, Valmonica, Lightsworn, Tantrum Toddler, Cooling Embers, Golgoyle, Battle Guard Echoes. And there really wasn't too much at the card event. There really wasn't too many vendors. There was a lot of sports cards, which it's all right, but that's not what I'm into. And there's maybe like 2 or 3 tables of Pokemon and a little bit of Yu-Gi-Oh. So it was kind of sucked for me. But it was pretty cool. I picked up a couple cards. I think I picked up like the Blue Eyes Shiny Dragon from the movie pack, and a Shuffle from the EDS, and a couple other ones. Nothing too big. I mean, I think it was only like, I think all that was like $20. But I guess they got, I got their Enlightenment Dragon. I got their Sunday morning, and they had the show going Friday, or Saturday, so it they kind of had a whole bunch of people come through Saturday and probably wipe them out, but it was fun. I wish they'd do that kind of thing more around my area, but it was alright. Blink Out, Cyclos, Gruesome Grave, Ancient Gear Tinker, Ashen, Melodus, Sangan, Golgol, Gadget Trio. Pretty cool. Throw that in the sleeve here. If I got any sleeves, I guess I don't have any sleeves handy. I'll sleeve those after the video. One, two, three, four. But it'll be a longer video. I mean, there's, like I said, there's three, possibly four boxes we're gonna do. Hopefully we can get some of those quarter centuries in there. Goblin Biker. Pretty excited for Rarity Collection though too, or Rarity Collection 2. That's gonna be pretty cool. So there'll be a video up probably another week or two of Rarity Collection, me opening Rarity Collection 2. I didn't open too many Rarity Collection 1s. I think I did a couple of the retail exclusive boxes, but nothing too big. Extinguishing, Aiza, Centurion, Zoma, and a secret rare Gandora G, the Dragon of Destruction. Pretty cool. Got the cover card. Sweet. I'm gonna open some sleeves up real quick. Alright. I'll put that one in a sleeve real quick. Oop. That corner's kind of messed up on it. There we go. First secret rare. Still wait for quarter century. I just had, hopefully in the next week or so, I should be getting my CGC return. So we got a few cards that I'll do a video of me showing what I got back. Pyrite Knight. Hopefully we'll get some 10s out of there. I know I sent off my SB Little Knight, and I think I had some other ones in there. It'll be in the video. In Papa's Footsteps, Simultaneous, Lightsworn, Tantrum Toddler, and way where there's a will. Come on, let's get a couple quarter centuries out of all these boxes. Cyclos, Blink Out, Ragnariki, Sangan, Cooling Embers, Golgol, Sinful Spoils, Extinguishing, Wake Up Centurion, Ultra Rare, one, two, three, four. Yeah, this video will be pretty long. We got a ways to go. Gruesome Grave, Haggard, Sinful Spoils, Ancient Gear Advance, Jungle Dweller, and Blessing of the Voiceless Voice. Get some of these out of the way. There we go. One, two, three, four. Tenpai Dragon, White Lord, Ragnariki, Dino Vitus, Tantrum Toddler, Ragnariki, Ashen, Melodus, Sanganpai Transcendent Dragon. Right on. What was the knew it was a Tenpai Dragon, but there was like a Tenpai Dragon that was somewhat expensive for a super rare. Somebody wants to let me know in the comments what that dragon was. I can't remember off the top of my head. Tantrum Toddler and Papa's Footsteps, and a Dandy White Lion. I don't think it was the one that I don't think it's the Transcendent Dragon. I think it's the other regular. I don't think it's a Synchro Monster. Couplet, Singing Summoning, Christian Nerd, Weiss, Singing, Zoma, Sinful Spoils, In Papa's Footsteps, Supreme King Zark Synchro Universe. Cool. One, two, three, four. Ragnaraki, White Lord, Sinful Spoils, Gruesome Grave, Mikazuka no Uba, Aiza, Extinguishing, Talons, Embers of the Ashen. Alright, come on, let's go. Let's get a quarter century, let's go. Tenpai Dragon, Cyclos, Valmonica, Ragnaraki, Cooling Embers, Melodus, Lightsworn, Valmonica, Minerva, the Athenian Lightsworn. Ultra rare. Pretty cool. One, two, three, four. Baka, Weiss, Double Die, Ragnaraki, Tantrum Toddler, Sinful Spoils, Ragnaraki, Sinful Spoils, Tenpai Dragon Pydra. I think this is the more valuable super rare Tenpai Dragon Pydra. I believe. I could be wrong, but somebody let me know down in the comments if that's the right dragon, or right Tenpai Dragon that's the more valuable of the super rares. 2, 3, 4. Valmonica, Gruesome Grave, Dinovatus, Tenpai Dragon, Sangenpai Bident Dragon, Zoma, Jungle Dweller, Ragnaraki, Rekindling the Ashen. Last pack of the box. Let it be something good. Let's go. Couplet, Sinful Spoils, Tenpai Dragon, White Lord, Refrain, Simultaneous, Singin, Centurion, Nightmare Apprentice. There we go. That looks pretty cool. I like that artwork. That's really cool. I really do like the Apprentice artworks. All right. Let's see. Let's get the next box. Alright, get these out of here. I might just, I'll go box by box. Move that out of the way. Alright. Oop. Get these commons out of the way. Alright. First pack of the second box. Let's see what we get. 3, 4. Christian, Stronghold, Ancient Gear Tanker, Haggard Talons, Ancient Gear Advance, Mikazuka Nova, Mementolin, Tenpai Dragon Pydra. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that this is the more valuable of the super rares. I mean, the price has probably gone down because I'm I'm a little behind on opening this set, but Blink Out, Ragnaraki, Tantrum Toddler, and Papa's Footsteps, Sangan, Zoma, and a Veridris, the Final Bringer of the End Times. That's cool. Secret rare. Right on. That's a pretty cool artwork too. Pretty cool artwork too. God, I can't talk today. One, two, three, four. Sangan Summoning, Ancient Gear Duel, Ragnaraki, Gruesome Grave, Sinful Spoils, Aiza, Sinful Spoils of Slumber, Ragnaraki, Shaman of the Ashen City. Come on, give me a quarter century. Please give me a quarter century. 1, 2, 3, 4. Haggard, Tenpai Dragon, White Lord, Ragnaraki, Sangan, Sanganpai, Jungle Dweller, Ashen, Ragnaraki Chain Coils, One, two, three, four. Dinovatus, Ancient Gear, Krishnerd, Ancient Gear, Extinguishing, Aiza, Centurion, Zoma, and the Nightmare Throne. Gotta move some of these out of the way. There we go. One, two, three, four. Stronghold, Sinful Spoils, Memantolin, Ancient Gear, Mikazuka Inobo, Ancient Gear, Sinful Spoils, Ragnaraki, and the Sangpai Transcendent Dragon. One, two, three, four. Valmonica, Sangan Summoning, Goblin Biker, Whis, Refrain, Talons, Sinful Spoils, Melodus, Dandy White Lion, two, three, four. Gruesome Grave, Tenpai Dragon, Cyclops, Valmonica, Refrain, Simultaneous, Sangan, Centurion, Blessing of the Voiceless Voice. Come on, give me some good stuff. Give me the heat. One, two, three, four. Ragnaraki, Baka, Weiss, Double Die, Memantolin, Goal, Ashen, Simultaneous, Embers of the Ashen. One, two, three, four. Ragnaraki, Valmonica, Gruesome Grave, Dinovatus, Valmonica, Ragnaraki, Sanganpai, Light Sworn, Battleguard Echoes. One, two, three, four. Come on, let's go get something good. Tenpai Dragon, Couplet, Sinful Spoils, Tenpai, Jungle Dweller, Refrain, Ragnaraki, Centurion, Ties That Bind, Ultra Rare. Alright. One, two, three, four. White Lord, Memantolin, Ancient Gear, Goblin Biker, Melodus, Golgoyle, Ashen, Extinguishing, Goblin Biker Troika. 1, 2, 3, 4. Couplet, Valmonica, Sinful, Ragnaraki, Gargoyle, Simultaneous, Refrain, In Papa's Footsteps, Pendulum Witch. I think to help this go a little bit faster, I think I'm going to not do the card trick. That way it goes by a little bit quicker. Cooling Centurion Force. Alright, Ragnaraki Bloom. Secret Rare. Alright. Pretty cool. Alright. Let's go. Let's see. Come on. Give us something. Turn Silence. Alright. Come on. Give us a quarter century. In Papa's Talons. Supreme King Zeark. And a Silitrice Valmonica. Ultra rare. Alright, let's get something here. Tantrum, Sinful Spoils, Fishborg, Harpooner. Let's go. Come on, give us something good. Multi-universe. That's not something good. Come on. Pyrite Knight. Okay. 3 more packs of the second box. Let's go. Gold Pride Eliminator. It's Code of Soul. Alright, last pack of the second box. Come on. Last bag, magic or tragic. Let's go. Something good. Gold Pride Eradicator. Maybe better than ending it on the super. Oh, my bad. We have one more pack here. I didn't even see that. This is the last pack. Spearhead of the Ashen City. So we did end it on a super. Alright, so we get some of this bulk out of the way. Now for the third box. Alright, this is the box. Come on, we're going to get something good in this one. Something good, something good. Something good. Let's go. Something good, something good, something good. Embers of the Ashen. Spearhead of the Ashen. Alright. Well, maybe we should go back to the card trick because I feel like it's... Hopefully we'll get something. Sinful Spoils. Ancient Gear Advance. Jungle Dweller. And, Metaltronus. Okay. Ragnaraki. Ashen. Melodus. Wake Up Centurion. Ultra rare. Sangan, Zoma, Sinful Spoils, Azza, Code of Soul. Come on, something good. This be the box. Sinful Spoils, Ragnarok, Sangan, Pendulum Witch. Come on. Give us something good. Lightsworn, Valmonica, Tantrum Toddler. Secret Rare Diabels, the original Sin Keeper. Pretty cool. Alright, let's go. Let's get a quarter century. Let's go. Sangan. Golgol. Simultaneous. Refrain. Ragnarok Chain Coils. Singpai. In Papa's Footsteps. Valmonica. Lightsworn. Code of Soul. Isa. Cooling Embers. Ragnarok. Centurion. Saphira, Divine Dragon of the Voiceless Voice. Ultra Rare. Alright, come on, give us something good. Mementolin. Talons. Soma. Ancient Gear. Wayward, there's a will. Come on, let's go. Melodus. Mementolin. Valmonica. In Papa's Footsteps. Flowering Itoli the Melodus Magnificent. Lightsworn. Jungle. Refrain. Finally, a Marshmallow. Surprised I haven't got more of those. Centurion. Melodus. Golgol. Enlightenment Dragon. Yeah, I think if somebody wants to let me know about this, that super rare that is the most expensive out of the set, let me know. I think it's that one that I've only gotten 2 of. Fishborg Harpooner. Yeah, somebody let me know. I'd appreciate it. Refrain. Simultaneous. Sangan. Centurion. Gold Pride Eradicator. Ultra Rare. Come on, let's go. Give us something. Mementolin. Golgol. Mikazuka. Nubo. Isa. Rekindling the Ashen. That's not what we need. Extinguishing the Ashen. Talons. Cooling Embers. Pendulum Witch. In Papa's Footsteps. Sangan. Zoma. Sinful Spoils. Ragnarok Bloom. Secret Rare. I think that's our second one of those. Pretty cool artwork though. Pretty cool skulls. Isa. Sinful Spoils. Ragnarok. Sangan. Turn Silence. Okay. Sangan. Single. Or Jungle. Ashen. Extinguishing. Gold Pride. I believe I said single. What the hell is that? Isa. Oh, and right into it. The Ragnarok Stag Sovereign. Ultra Rare. There we go. 2 packs of the 3rd box. Ancient Gear Advance. Sinful Spoils. Ragnarok. Cooling Embers. And Metatronus. last pack. Magic Tragic of the third box. Simultaneous, Valmonica, Ragnarok, Singpai Bident, and Blessing of the Voiceless Voice. Well, that could have been better. And I think we're going to go ahead and open this. I know it's going to be a long video, but we're going to open the fourth box just because it's here. Alright, come on, box. Give us a quarter century. This be it. Fourth box. Oop. Cooling Embers. Ragnarok. Centurion. Mematolan. And away where there's a will. Talons, Zoma, Ancient Gear, In Papa's Footsteps, Blessing of the Voiceless Voice. Okay. Mikazuna Yoba, Aiza, Extinguishing, Talons, Singpai Transcendent Dragon. Cooling Embers, Melodus, Lightsworn, Valmonica, another Marshmallow, finally. So got two of those. Tantrum Toddler, Sinful Spoils, Ragnarok, Sinful Spoils, Gold Pride Eradicator. Ultra Rare. Okay. Come on, give us a quarter century. Melodus, Mematolan, Valmonica, and a Supreme King Z Arc. Simultaneous, Lightsworn, Tantrum Toddler, Cooling Embers, Embers of the Ashen. Come on, let's go. Give us something good. Goyle, Sinful Spoils, Extinguishing, Mikazuna Yoba, Nightmare Apprentice. Cool. Another Nightmare Apprentice, Secret Rare. Alright, let's go. Come on. Sinful Spoils, Ancient Gear, Jungle Dweller, Tantrum Toddler, Tenpai Dragon Pydra. There we go. Cool. And I got a playset of those. Ragnarok, Ashen, Melodus, Singing, Rekindling the Ashen. Goyle, Simultaneous, Refrain, Singing Pie, Silent Swordsman 0. There we go. Finally got a Silent Swordsman out of 4 boxes. Can't believe it took that long. I was wondering when one of those were going to come up. I mean, I know it's not crazy expensive, but I like the Silent Swordsmans. I think they look really cool. And the Silent Magicians, those look cool. In Papa's Footsteps, Valmonica, Lightsworn, Aiza, Pyrite Knight. Mematolan, Tantrum Toddler, In Papa's Footsteps, Singin, Code of Soul. Come on, give us something good on this last box. Let's go. Extinguishing, Talons, Ancient Gear, Mikazuna Yoba, Fishborg Harpooner. Okay, that's not what I was wanting. Jungle Dweller, Ashen, Extinguishing, Aiza, Senpai Transcendent Dragon, Centurion, Zoma, Mikazuna Yoba, Ancient Gear, Ragnaraki Chain Coils. Come on, give us something good. Sinful Spoils, Ragnaraki, Refrain, Talons, Enlightenment Dragon. Okay. Sinful Spoils, Melodious, Mementolin, Valmonica, Ties That Bind, Ultra Rare. Okay, let's go. Give us something good here on the last few packs. Singing Pie, Zoma, Jungle Dweller, Ragnaraki, Spearhead the Ashen City, Refrain, Simultaneous, Sanguine, Centurion, Rekindling the Ashen, Mementolin, Gargoyle, Ashen, Cooling Embers, Centurion, Auxilia. Right on, cool. I think that's the last secret rare of the box. At least we got something good. I mean, we got some pretty good hits, but Simultaneous, Valmonica, Ragnaraki, Singing Pie, Multi-Universe, down to our last two packs. Lightsworn, Jungle Dweller, Refrain, and a Supreme King Z Arc. Last pack, Magic or Tragic. Alright. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, turn on notifications. Let me know down in the comments how, like, what you thought of the video, if you liked it, what your favorite card was that we pulled. Celetrice Valmonica. And let me know how I'm doing. But after that, we'll end it on a ultra rare. And again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Alright, till next time. Peace.